Today's math lesson is still a continuation of yesterday's lesson on interpreting fractions as division. So we're going to do 1C from their homework, and it's looking at fractions as division in several different ways. The first way is as an expression, and if we look here at this expression here, we can tell that that says 7 divided by 2. So here, that's what we'll write here, 7 divided by 2. That's what will go in this box. Okay? And if we take 7 times 2, that gives us 14 halves. If we multiply those two numbers together, that will be 14 halves. 14 halves divided by 2 is 7 halves, because 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 halves as an improper fraction is 7 over 2. If we change that improper fraction to a mixed number, we get 3 1/2. We show that by doing the standard algorithm of long division. 2 goes into 7 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract, and we have 1 left over. So that's how we get the 3 1/2. And the final step is they're asking us to check it. So the way we did that in class was we took our number that's getting divided, 7. No, I'm incorrect. Sorry. We took the number that's doing the dividing, 2. We're dividing by 2. And we times that by our answer. So we told the kids in class today is to change both of those to fractions and then multiply. So 2 over 1 would be this fraction. 2 is a... And then change that back to that 7 halves. Multiply the top times the top numbers, the bottom times the bottom numbers. And you should be, if you do it correctly, you should be left with the number that you started with, if your checking is correct. So that's how you do these kinds of problems for all of number 1 for your homework.